Since Kia does not formally manufacture the Bongo Motorhome as a factory model, the body business or moderator that converts it from the Kia Bongo base will have a significant impact on its outside. However, given the popularity of campervan conversions and the features of the Kia Bongo, we can envision how the outside of the 2026 Kia Bongo Motorhome would seem. It will probably be based on the light truck Kia Bongo K-Series. There will still be room for the driver and passenger, and the interior will still resemble a truck with two doors. The installation of a camper module on top of the rear chassis is the most important component. This module's design will vary widely. However, some potential options include a boxy module that makes the most of the inside space is called a boxy design. It could feature a side or rear entry door, side and rear windows, and a roof that is taller than the truck cab. Sleek and aerodynamic. To lessen wind resistance, some converters may attempt a more aerodynamic design. However, this can be more challenging to do on a truck base. Pop-up roof. A module that has a roof that can be lifted manually or electrically to give more headroom and a place to sleep. The camper module has side and rear windows added for ventilation and natural light. The camper area's entrance is often on the side or back. To provide shade outside, awning, side tent, is used. Rooftop baggage rack to transport extra things like bicycles or outdoor equipment. Ladder of access to facilitate access to the baggage rack and the ascent to the sleeping compartment on the roof. External storage compartments and doors to get to batteries, storage equipment, or water tanks. Rooftop solar panels to charge the extra battery. Although some converters could choose tires more suited to various terrains if the RV is meant for adventure, it would probably use the normal Kia Bongo wheels and tires. Furniture and features that can be folded, slid, or transformed will maximize the limited area. Folding tables may be used as dining or workspaces, and seating sections can be transformed into beds. Beds typically, there will be a sleeping space big enough to fit many persons. This might be a fold-down bed/sofa bed in the center of the cabin, or it could be a permanent bed at the back or on top, if the roof is raised or pop-top. A portable gas or electric stove, a tiny basin with a water tap, and a mini fridge or cooler box are among the essential conveniences included in the compact kitchen. A little microwave could be included in some more thorough modifications. Dining room, a sliding or folding table that is part of the seating area. Cabinets, drawers, and shelves are examples of smart storage that maximizes the amount of space available for storing clothing, kitchenware, and travel essentials. Making use of the underbed and vertical space will be a top concern. An inverter, a control panel, and extra deep cycle batteries are needed to regulate appliance power. One possibility is solar panels. Tanks with water pumps for both fresh and dirty water, if a permanent sink or restroom is present. LED illumination inside, more windows, and roof vents. For thermal and acoustic comfort, insulate the roof, walls, and floors. A tiny TV, an audio system, or even a heater could be included in certain modifications. A few engine options are available for the current Kia Bongo model, and the possibilities for the 2026 model year will probably be comparable. CRD turbo diesel engine, 2.5 liter. This engine generates about 255 Nm of torque and 130 PS, 96 kilowatts. One of the most popular engine choices for the Kia Bongo is this one. An outdated but still functional engine, the 2.7-liter J2 diesel generates about 80 PS, 59 kilowatts, and 167 Nm of torque. 3.0-liter CRD diesel provides higher power, with about 294 Nm of torque and 133 PS, 98 kilowatts. The Kia Bongo also comes with a 2.5-liter LPG turbo engine that generates about 157 PS, 115 kilowatts, and 213 Nm of torque for the South Korean market. A 5-speed or 6-speed manual transmission is a common option, while some models could also come with an automated transmission. Rear-wheel drive, RWD, and all-wheel drive, 4WD, are two choices for the Kia Bongo that will impact the motorhome's performance on different types of roads.